In this video, I'll show you the best Nvidia settings for Valorant. Now what you should do is head over here to Graphics, choose Program Settings and select Valorant. Now in here what you can do is you can either go for the one they already made, and I would suggest you go for either the lowest or second lowest if you're having FPS issues. Now this will of course make the game look much worse, but it's going to give you the best FPS possible. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and go to the driver settings. In here, choose your driver here, image scaling off, low latency mode off, but on the Valorant you're going to enable it, and I'll show you a screenshot real quick. Max frame rate off, power management mode needs to be on prefer, maximum performance, and VSync you can just use the 3D application settings for this one. Now these are the best settings if you want to have the maximum performance in Valorant. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.